sake marinated chicken wings with sashimi seasoning. Like, I'm there, I'm in, count me in. That is flipping delicious.
It's juicy, spicy, tangy with the lime.
Right, so we're gonna do these sake chicken wings, which is perfect for when you've got a bunch of people coming over and you need something quick to razzle up for them. But what we're gonna do is we're using a sashimi seasoning, a Japanese seasoning that has Mandarin Zest in it. It just lifts the whole thing. That orange zest goes so well with the sake, and people are just gonna be like licking their fingers and going, you're a genius. First up, let's prep the chicken. So we need to prep our chicken and then marinate it in sake. And all we're going to do with the chicken is I'm just going to cut through the ligament here so you get 2 pieces per chicken wing. Take your chicken wing and use your thumb to locate the bone, and then if you just prise them apart, it just pops out the joint, and that's where you put your knife through. So I'm now going to get these into a pan so I can marinate them, and I'm going to get 3 or 4 cloves of garlic in there. Then I want a nice pinch of salt, just get that all over, and then I'm going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of sake to the party. And now incorporate all those ingredients and then let it marinate for a minimum of an hour, better overnight. Oh, this is going to be so nice. Now, this Japanese sashimi seasoning has got 7 different ingredients in it, and you can buy it off the shelf and you can do it without going to all this fuss. The reason I'm doing it is that it's going to be fresher, it's going to be more aromatic, and on the simply sake and garlic infused chicken, it will just be delicious. So, start with a tablespoon of sesame seeds and a tablespoon of hemp seeds, a tablespoon of poppy seeds in there, and then I want some Japanese sancho pepper, put a tablespoon of that in, and then some Japanese red chili. Then I'm using dried anori seaweed flakes. That's like this bright green, salty seaweed vibe, so well on the chicken. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of that in. And then the final element to this is the Mandarin Zest. Now, I couldn't get a hold of it, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own. So to do that, we need to take the peel off this orange. So we're just going to top and tail it, and then you just cut round. And what you'll see is once you've done that is you'll see inside the orange a white line of pith. Follow that for the next cut. So you just follow round, trying to leave as much pith on the orange. Once you've done that, you've got to take any remaining pith that's on the rind off, because that's incredibly bitter and it's going to affect the flavour. So flatten it down, and then with a nice sharp knife, just push along, taking the remaining pith off. Put that onto a baking tray, and now I'm going to whack it in the oven on the lowest setting, right? And just keep an eye on it, because what you're doing essentially is dehydrating it, not cooking it. So this is some that I did yesterday, super brittle now, ready to turn into your seasoning. I'm just going to put them into my pestle and mortar and break them down. Okay, getting excited now because this is such a simple dish, but it just delivers on the flavour. So, medium to hot pan, get your chicken wings that have been marinated in the garlic and the sake and introduce them to the party. Just let them get sizzling away, get them on there. They're probably going to need about 5 to 8 minutes on either side, and then we're going to flip them. So we're going to season these at the end with lime. So I'm just going to slice one open now and get it on there caramelizing with it. Those are looking absolutely sumptuous. Let's get them off into the seasoning. I mean, just look at them. How can you not have one? Let's just see how it gets on. Oh, they're totally banging. Oh, mate, they're so fragrant and zesty and refreshing. Like most chicken wings, you've just got loads of sauce poured on them. And you can't taste the chicken with this. Oh, if you want to taste the chicken, these are the chicken wings to do. They are so delicious. That is, you've got the lemon zest, you've got the hum of the chili, You've got the beautiful salty greeniness of the seaweed, and you've just got this really fragrant, meaty chicken. Like, that is flipping delicious. I reckon that portion there has got to be worth $6.50. $6.50 for a small portion of chicken wings. Let's take them out there and see what people will pay. And remember, guys, if you're loving what we're doing and you want to see more recipes like this, subscribe to the channel. Let's do it. Right, you two. Japanese chicken wings, are you ready?
I don't think so.
Food Busker, reporting from the front line. I don't actually need that. Rona, what's it saying to you?
It's bloody delicious.
You heard it first.
It's got a fresh off the barbecue type sensation, which I really like.
And what's your favourite element of the seasoning?
I think actually the poppy seeds are really nice.
Yeah.
Although they're probably stuck in my teeth.
It's a good look. Now, so we have got there, we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of chicken wings. What would you pay?
Oh, I would pay.
This will affect our relationship if you underpay. I'm just being honest.
How many chicken wings did you say? 8. I think I would pay a tenner.
We can be friends. Shift up. So, first off, what's your name?
Dom.
Dom. Nice to meet you, Dom. Dom, I don't know why I'm doing this because I've got a microphone on. Dom, what are you saying about the chicken?
Yeah, it's good. It's juicy, spicy, zingy with the lime. Yeah, got a nice sort of like charred feel. Yeah, really delicious, really good.
Good. Flipping. That was good description, that was, wasn't it? I'm loving that. What would you pay for 8 chicken wings?
8 chicken wings, I reckon 9, 10 quid.
9, 10 quid. You have to stop throwing the microphone down because the cameraman's going to kill me because it's his. Respect, increase the peace, spread the love, and subscribe to the channel. These chicken wings, like, honestly, please try them. They're so simple to do and they're so tasty. And if you put these down on the table, people are going to be like, wow, they're different. I've not tried that before. With a cold beer, out the park, people. So, what would you have paid? Let me know in the comment box below. And if you're loving what we're doing and you want more recipes like this, then subscribe to the channel, share the video, and increase the peace generally to the major populace of your general region.